Hi, I'm Kizzy with Sherman Builders, and this is my coworker DJ.
Hey.
We're going to show you how to reduce the risk of wildfire ignition to your home. Today we're installing gutter guards to prevent buildup of debris at the edge of your roof. We're installing them in metal gutters, which are great, and we're making sure that that vulnerable roof edge is protected with metal on all sides so that if embers travel during an ember shower and land in the gutters, they have no ability to ignite your roof. Step 1, clean your gutters. We're gonna remove all the debris that's been accumulating in here and make sure there's no lichen or other material caked on the gutters. Step 2, we're gonna water test. Looks like it's running really nicely in both directions. All right, step 3, install the gutter guards. And there we go. We have reduced the risk.